Hey cartoon friends, so today's really exciting day for us because we're going to do capybara, and I know a lot of you guys are fans out there of drawing capybaras, so this is going to be a lot of fun. But we're going to do things a little differently. We're going to just draw with pencil for one, and just normal paper, photocopy paper, but we're going to get a nice little pose out of this capybara. A lot of people just draw it sitting, holding something, so I think it'd be nice to give a nice dynamic pose, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw something real loose. I'm going to draw the head shape. Just a nice little, oval shape like this. And then a nice line of action coming through, right through the body. This one's going to be jumping in the air. So a little body, another little oval, and maybe a little foot up, foot kind of down like that. So I'm drawing loose and fast because I'm going to change things. This arm down, and maybe like a little apple on its head. There, and then the ear, and another ear over there. I'm going to tilt the head up. It adds a little bit of the cuteness of this. So I'm going to angle this. So I'm drawing loose and light. So I'm just giving a rough idea where things are going to be placed. The nose and the muzzle area there. And squint eyes. And then maybe the cheeks. That I can color in later if I want. I'm just drawing loose, just to kind of get the shapes worked out. But I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I know a lot of kids in my class really love drawing these capybaras, and so I think this might be kind of cool to draw, and definitely something a little bit different than just sitting down. Give it some personality. Cool. Yeah. Okay, so that's my rough idea of how it's going to look. Actually, I'm going to raise this hand up a bit, and then this one down, just to give it a little bit more. And then the inside of the leg, and then, or sorry, foot. There's a paw. Okay. And I'm going to give a heart-shaped nose, and then just like that, down. Okay. So now I'm going to gently erase, but not too much. I'm just using a kneaded rubber eraser. You can just use a normal eraser at home. I'm just lightly erasing it. I'm not totally erasing it. I just still want to see things out of it. So I'm going to start with the head shape. So I'm going to go around. Keep this, the cheek a little bit darker on the cheek, and then in this side. Curve it around a little darker on this side underneath, and then the body. And this is the foot in the air. You can give it a little paw if you want, or just an oval shape is fine. This arm down. This arm just a little bit up, just a little bit, nothing crazy. It could be oval too. And then this, I'm going to give it a little bit of a darker area here. Same thing on this side, and then little kind of hands or like that. This is just the inside of the body. This can be like a little shadow as it's jumping up in the air. That kind of helps. And then some speed lines if you want. Okay, now I'm going to work out the nose area. Again, you can erase these things. Like, don't feel you're stuck. If you want to change something, go ahead. Here's the heart-shaped nose. And the eyes. This can be a little thicker too. I'm definitely gonna thicken the sides here. The top of the head. So I'm just gonna soften the cheeks right now. You could do this if you want to do this later, you can color it. I'm just doing it because I'm just gonna color mine black and the pencil right now. All right, there's the ear, the inside of the ear. Same thing on this side. And darken this area here. I think that's coming along. And then this part here, so this is the apple. You can color that a different color, but for now, since I'm just doing pencil, I'm just gonna do it like that. You can add a little highlight, a little oval shape there, and then color it in. So I think by drawing loose, it gives it more life. It looks alive now. It doesn't look too stiff. It looks like it's, you know, it's really almost animated. This process I really love. I really enjoy it. For me, it's so relaxing, so much fun. And I really hope you're getting that at home, because drawing should be relaxing and fun. Cool. I think that's looking good. Or there we go. All right. The back foot. Get the shadow in. And I think that's done. So feel free to color your own at home, and yeah, let me know. Share with me either on Instagram. Just get your parents to email me, or share it, because I'd like to add it and see what you guys have come up with. All right, I'm gonna sign it, and that's it. All right, hope you're enjoying March break. Have fun. Bye.